Did you know there are a whole bunch of ways to connect with CNC in our community? Here's 9 ways you can find us. YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and we're even on Reddit. You can find company info, projects we're working on, tutorials, behind the scenes, and all kinds of other cool info. The CNC blog. These monthly updates are all about company info, manufacturing updates, and market insight from the big cheese himself. The Facebook group and community forum are both great places to post questions and get answers from other CNC enthusiasts. Our online resources are there to help you understand and enjoy the products that we make. From installs to features to things you might not have known about. They're a great place to look first. And last but certainly not least, customer service. We understand when your machine's not working the way you want it to or the way you expect it to, that's frustrating. That's where customer service comes in. The unsung heroes behind CNC Labs, these folks work their tails off to answer your phone calls and your emails to get you back up and running as soon as you can. So now you know all the ways you can connect with CNC and the community that makes it great. Go check them out.